Hello and welcome to this video on how to properly follow the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is a well-liked strategy for shedding pounds and enhancing health, but for the diet to work, it must be properly implemented. I'll go over the fundamentals of the ketogenic diet in this video and offer you advice on how to get started. What is the keto diet? Let's begin by defining the keto diet. The goal of the ketogenic diet, which consists of a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet, is to induce ketosis in your body. When your body is in ketosis, it switches to burning fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. You must follow a diet in order to reach this state. Let's discuss what to eat on the keto diet now that you are aware of what it entails. Olive oil, coconut oil, nuts, seeds, avocado, and many other foods are excellent sources of healthful fats. Pick protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, and beef that are low in carbs. Low-carb vegetables are a crucial component of a balanced keto diet. Leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers are all excellent choices. Cheese, butter, and heavy cream are examples of dairy items that are suitable for the keto diet since they are high in fat and low in carbs. Finally, eggs, which may be prepared in a variety of ways, are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, especially during the initial phase of the diet when your body is adjusting to the new eating pattern. Monitor your ketone levels using a blood ketone meter to ensure you're in a state of ketosis. Additionally, the keto diet will significantly affect your endorphin levels and mood. A ketogenic diet dramatically reduces the amount of carbohydrates consumed and the amount of insulin required. It can thereby reduce the body's insulinemic response. The ketogenic diet can aid in controlling cravings and hunger. The polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, and reproductive problems can both be helped by the keto diet. Skin health can be enhanced by the ketogenic diet. Your cholesterol may improve with the ketogenic diet. Including vitamins in your diet can assist maintain the right balance in your body. Adding magnesium, probiotics, and digestive enzymes based on lipase to your diet as a whole. The keto diet should be stopped at these 7 warning signs immediately. You feel sick or are puking. You are powerless. You're experiencing head pain. You're stumbling around. Your entire body is stiff. You are not shedding pounds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.